Welcome back to My Homestead Education. Right now, as you can see all around me, the garden has just been overwhelmed with weeds this summer. We had a crazy amount of rain this spring. I think we ended up with more rain this spring than we normally get for an entire year, and that it was more by several inches. We don't normally get very much, 28 or 9 inches a year. I think we had well over 32 inches this spring alone. So we got a lot of weeds, but some of the other stuff that's growing in here, we're getting ready to harvest. Then we're going to pull the weeds. We're going to get some new wood chips down and get our fall crops ready to go in the next few weeks. We'll start putting out, well, in August. We'll get ready to start putting them out in August. But right now, we're getting ready to pick turnips. So this is a purple top white globe turnip. These grew pretty good this year. Now I do love turnip greens. However, this year, the bugs, I mean, they really got after them. And I have not had the chance to get out and take care of them the way I want to. So hopefully this fall, our turnips will yield really good lush greens along with more of these. And we've never canned these before. We're gonna try to can some. It does discolor them just a bit. But we're also going to put some away in our basement. You're supposed to wrap them up in a cool rag or a wet rag or towel or napkin or something, and keep them as cool as you can, but not freezing. Also, you can pickle these, and there's some good pickle recipes online as well that you can find. So we are getting ready to harvest our turnips. Found a couple of turnips that were in that bed from last year. They've gone to seed. We'll hang them up and let them see if they'll develop their seed. We got a nice little harvest. It's hard to see with all the greens there. Some of them are tiny, like that. But we do have some nice big ones like this right here. And these turnips, I mean, they cost, I think they're $2.50 to $3.50 a pound at the store right now. My daughter, she likes eating them a lot. We slice them up, cook them in some oil and some salt and pepper. They're delicious. Well, there's our harvest from our spring turnips, and they look good. I mean, those are delicious looking, right? So we're looking forward to getting into this. We got some good steak we're going to eat with this tonight. And we'll get in and we'll wash these, cut the tops off, and we're going to show a few different ways that we're going to try to preserve our turnips. We've never put turnips back long term, whether it's pickled, canned, or cool storage in the basement. We've never tried. They say that if you can keep it down around 40 or so degrees in a damp, cold, dark area, they'll stay between 4 and 6 months. So we should be able to eat these in 4 to 6 months, and between now and then have another crop. So really looking forward to getting into these. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, hit that notification bell for all future videos, and check us out at clearwatervalleyfarms.com. Also, we have a Patreon link in the bottom, and you can join us there. And if you subscribe and join as a level 2 or higher membership, we send you free seeds, elderberry syrup kits, discounts at our Clearwater Valley Farms seed store. So check us out over at Patreon as well. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. We took the tops off, and we did harvest a few. I got a bunch of beets over there. We planted them out, and the birds picked a lot of our seed, and we thought that they picked them all. And so we replanted them. We got them too thick. So we got some beets. We're getting ready to finish thinning those out. And then all of this is turnips. That's 20-25 pounds of turnips, all from not even a whole package of one of our seeds. That's a lot of food, guys. In these times, we got a lot of stuff happening with food facilities burning, blowing up, getting shut down for different reasons. I'm going to put a link in the description. Take a look at the map that I'm putting on there and look at all of the different stuff that's been going on for the past, I don't know, 12 to 18 months. It's kind of crazy, a little frightening on what's going on. So get yourself some seeds from Clearwater Valley Farms and grow your family some food. That's a great source of security. Those seeds will stay good for years if you keep them in a dark, cool, dry area. So thanks again.